Now, your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
73 degrees the air temperature, sun rising, giving us a fair amount of sunshine out there and blue sky as well, but a few fair weather leftover debris clouds in the picture. 72 degrees, the dew point value, low enough to feel kind of comfortable. I mean, for this time of year anyway. Dew points last week were in the upper 70s, which just felt like a steam bath. So 72, I'll take it during the summer, any day of the week. We're looking at a 9 a.m. temperature of about 79 degrees, a little bit of cloud cover out there as the sun rises and gives us plenty of heating. We'll end up with about 90, almost 90 degree temperature by lunchtime. And as we head into the afternoon, temperatures will probably max out at about 92 before we start to build those showers and thunderstorms. They'll become more numerous in inland areas and then drift back toward the coast. There'll be west movers all afternoon long. And I think that we'll probably see them move into coastal regions by about the time the heat index hits 100. So a warm, sticky afternoon, but the cooling showers will certainly feel pretty good. At least we won't have hour after hour after hour of temperatures in the 90s. We'll hit the 90s, and then the showers start to cool us off a little bit. 85 degrees by 7 p.m. with about a 30% chance of a lingering shower. Titan radar not showing a whole lot of action across the peninsula right now. We've got a few showers down to the south of us. Locally, things are pretty quiet. Your morning commute should be rain-free. But coming back this afternoon, that's when you're likely to see those showers and thunderstorms in the forecast. And some of the rainfall could create some ponding on roadways. You know how that works. A little bit of cloud-covered debris cloud, but that's really about it. Not seeing anything that's going to bring us any rainfall during these morning hours. We had some pretty good rainfall totals. Lots of weather watchers have phoned in with reports of over 2-inch rainfalls over the last 24 hours. You look at these places here that are in the darkest of the green colors, and those are areas that have exceeded 2-inch rainfalls, and we have lots of them across the region. 2.4, 2.8. Inland, maybe a little bit less, but we had some almost 3-inch rainfalls and better in numerous areas in Charlotte County. So some pretty good rain falling in areas that really did need it, hadn't seen much rainfall in several days. So high pressure to our north brings us that westerly wind flow again. That westerly wind flow kind of encourages the east coast sea breeze to move into our neck of the woods. Our west coast sea breeze builds, but's kept pretty close to our coastline. So the west coast of Florida, under a westerly flow, will tend to be the focal point for showers over the next several days. The east wind takes the inland showers, pushes them to the coast where they generally just die out. Now, that pattern will be with us for several days, maybe shifting a little more to the southeast, but basically an easterly wind. By the time we get to the weekend, that high will start to move back down to the south. And with that kind of a motion, we'll expect to see our winds go from east to west once again, just as we were last week, encouraging morning showers near the coast, followed by a pretty quiet coastline during the evening hours. That happens Saturday and Sunday. For today, east wind shifts to the west with that sea breeze at about 10 knots. That'll give us a 50% chance of rainfall today, pretty good coverage. Over the next several days, we'll keep the westerly movers, but we'll reduce the rain chance just a little bit because there'll be fewer in number. By the time we get to the weekend, Saturday and Sunday both, rain chances will go up, but the nature of the showers change as we get east movers. Showers building near the coast and then moving toward the other coast in the afternoon.